Introduction to Google Tasks and Calendar integration.
Integrating Google Tasks with Google Calendar allows you to manage your to-dos and appointments in one place. This helps you plan your day more efficiently and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. In this guide, you'll learn how to make Google Tasks and Calendar work together seamlessly for better organization and productivity.
Accessing Google Tasks within Google Calendar.
To access Google Tasks from Google Calendar, open Google Calendar on your computer. On the right side, you'll see a sidebar with a Tasks icon, a blue circle with a check mark. Click on it to open your task list. From here, you can view, add, and organize tasks directly alongside your scheduled events.
Adding and managing tasks with dates.
To sync tasks with your calendar, make sure to add a date to each Google task. Click on a task and choose Add Date Time. Once dated, these tasks will automatically appear as all-day events in your Google Calendar. Managing your to-dos this way ensures you always see your tasks alongside your meetings and deadlines.
Viewing and updating tasks in Google Calendar.
Google Calendar displays your tasks as a separate calendar layer. To ensure you see them, look for tasks on the left under My Calendars and check the box. You can click on any task event to update details or mark it as complete, keeping everything up to date from one place.
Tips for seamless planning and organization.
Make the most of this integration by reviewing both your events and tasks at the start of each day. Use task lists for different projects or priorities, and always assign due dates. Regularly checking off completed items in Google Calendar and Tasks keeps your schedule clear and helps you stay on top of your goals.